So this chemistry trend analysis can save your NEST 2026 exam rank. So hi guys, I am your Nitesh Bhaiya and I am back in this video bringing in front of you the trend analysis for your chemistry portion of the NEST exam starting from year 2018 up until 2025. So stay tuned. So now let's move on to the year-wise analysis of the chemistry portion of your NEST exam. So we'll start from 2018 and we'll end at 2025, which is the last year exam, right? So let's first see the most important topics, the most important chapters, the chapters from which each and every year NEST is going to ask or NEST has asked at least one question, right? So the first chapter we are going to talk about here is, you can see atomic structure, right? So you can see almost each and every year one question has been asked from atomic structure. The second important topic I'm going to talk about is your thermodynamics, right? And thermodynamics is very important. You can see that even 3 questions were asked from thermodynamics in some years, and in some years 2 questions were also asked. So thermodynamics is very important, and specifically from thermodynamics, NEST asks the graph-based questions. So make sure to do those graph-based questions, okay? So the next chapter that I'm going to talk about is your equilibrium. So equilibrium, when we saw for your IIT exam, it was not that much important, but in NEST exam, they ask almost every year from equilibrium, may it be ionic equilibrium or chemical equilibrium. So you don't have to miss equilibrium as well. And the next topic that I'm going to talk about is your chemical bonding. See, so almost each and every year they are asking at least 1 to 2 questions in your NEST exam, and chemical bonding was also very important in your IIT exam as well, right? So you can't miss chemical bonding. The next chapter, which is very important and probably the most important chapter of your chemistry, is your coordination chemistry. You can see every year, not even a single year was there where NEST missed a question from coordination chemistry, and there were some years where NEST asked even 3 questions from coordination chemistry. So now let's move on to organic chemistry. So in organic chemistry, you can see the topics that are important are hydrocarbon, right? And hydrocarbon was also important in your IIT exam. Each and every year they are asking almost 1 question from your hydrocarbon. And the next topic that I'm going to talk about is your aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. This topic, this chapter was also very important for your IIT exam, right? And it is also very important for your NEST exam. You can see that last year only they have asked 3 questions from this topic only. Okay, so it is very important again. So again, like IIT, I've told you the most important chapters for NEST, but again, I will give you the suggestion that these are not the only chapters that you have to do. If you want to score full marks in chemistry in your NEST exam, don't miss any chapter. I've just told you the most important chapters. Okay, so now let's analyze the 2025 exam of your NEST, the chemistry portion, right? So if you will see, 1 question was from some basic concepts, 1 question was from atomic structure, 2 questions again were from thermodynamics. I've told how important thermodynamics is for your NEST exam. 1 question was from equilibrium. Solution was missed in your NEST 2025. Electrochemistry and kinetics were asked only 1 question. Now you can see the unusual behavior of NEST. In IIT, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics were very important. I have told you. In NEST, it rarely asks questions from electrochemistry. It has asked questions from electrochemistry, but it is not like it asks every year, right? Chemical kinetics, on the other hand, has been important from the past few years. If you see, past few years, NEST is asking at least 1 question from chemical kinetics. So chemical kinetics is now being important in NEST, but earlier it was not that much important. But electrochemistry, you can see that in the previous years, some years were like that where electrochemistry was not even asked for the successive years, for the constant years, right? And you can see that gaseous state was also not asked in NEST 2025, but in the new syllabus of NEST 2026, gaseous state has been added. So you have to cover gaseous state as well, because the question can be asked from gaseous state as well. Now, the periodicity was asked for 1 question. Chemical bonding were asked for 2 questions. Coordination chemistry, obviously it is very important, I have told you. So 2 questions were asked from coordination chemistry. And DNF block is also asked. So you need to see that DNF block is also kind of important for NEST. In IIT, it was not very important, but in NEST, you can see that from past few years, they are constantly asking questions from DNF block. So you have to do DNF block, and it is a small chapter, so you can do it easily. Now coming to your SNP block. S&P block was missed in 2025 because it was not in the syllabus of 2025 NEST exam, but according to the new syllabus, along with gaseous state, they have also added S&P block. So you have to do S&P block because till the time S&P block was there in the NEST syllabus, they were constantly asking from S&P block, you can see, right? So they will most probably ask from S&P block again, so don't miss S&P block this time. So now from your organic part, general organic chemistry was missed, hydrocarbon was missed, the questions were asked from alcohol and phenol, one question was asked from alcohol and phenol, one question was asked from haloalkanes and haloarenes, and 3 questions. I've told you how important aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid topic is. 3 questions were asked from these, and amines and biomolecules were also asked. So you can see biomolecules might not be that much important, but from the past few years, biomolecules has been asked constantly. So don't miss biomolecules as well. So this was the year-wise weightage analysis for your chemistry portion of your NEST exam. So the point is, even if you don't want to do the entire chemistry syllabus, you don't like chemistry, so I will tell you some most important chapters that you must do to score good marks in chemistry. The first chapter that I am talking about is your atomic structure, right? You can't miss atomic structure. The second topic I'm going to talk about is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is very important. Even if you don't like chemistry, don't miss this topic at least. The next topic that I'm going to talk about is your equilibrium. So these 3 topics of your physical chemistry are the most important topics of your physical chemistry. So even if you don't want to do the entire physical chemistry, at least do these 3 topics. And in inorganic chemistry, again, the same trend was for IIT, the same trend is for NEST. Chemical bonding and coordination chemistry are the most important topics in your inorganic chemistry. So if you don't like inorganic chemistry, or if you think that inorganic chemistry is just about cramming things and you don't want to do it, at least do these 2 chapters from inorganic chemistry. Now coming to your organic chemistry. In your organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, haloalkanes and haloarenes, and aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. At least these 3 topics you should cover for your organic chemistry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 7 to 8 topics that if you will cover in your chemistry portion, you will score some marks or some good marks in your NEST exam for your chemistry portion. So guys, if you want this trend analysis of NEST and you also want to practice NEST PYQs of your physics, chemistry, maths and biology subject, you can explore our SciAstra NEST PYQ book. You can explore the book at our official SciAstra website. You can also explore it on sellers like Amazon and Flipkart. So obviously guys, almost last 30 days are left for your NEST exam, and at this last time, if you want an exclusive platform which will help you to score good rank in NEST exam, which will help you to prepare for NEST exam and which will help you guide, you can explore our crash courses which are already launched. So there are 4 different types of crash courses. So the first crash course is the personalized crash course. So in this crash course, you will get personal mentor who will guide you personally and who will tell you tips and tricks to score good marks in your NEST exam. The second one is your IIT and NEST combo crash course, in which you can prepare both for IIT and for NEST exam. And the last 2 are your individual IIT crash course and NEST crash course for the students who are just preparing for either NEST or for either IIT. So guys, if you want to explore these crash courses, you can explore them on our official SciAstra website. Apart from that, you can also download our SciAstra app and you can explore these courses there as well. And if you want additional discount on these crash courses, you can use our coupon code GOAL10, GOAL10, GOAL10. Okay? And if you have any queries, you can drop them down in our comment section. Apart from that, you can also contact our SciAstra support team. Till then, keep preparing hard, keep practicing a lot of questions, and all the best for your exams. Okay, bye bye.